Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a single high-resolution icon and wiring the tooling. Add Flutter launcher icons to dev dependencies in PubSpec. YAML, point the Flutter icons configuration to your 1024 x 1024 PNG and run Flutter pubget. Once done, execute the package command to generate platform assets. This creates Android and iOS icon folders automatically. Make sure to keep the original PNG square and centered so scaling and trimming won't crop your art. Now you're set to handle platform-specific details. Next, you handle platform-specific so your icon looks right everywhere. For Android, enable adaptive icons by providing separate foreground and background images or let the tool generate them. Check Android manifest and mipmap folders for the new files. For iOS, open runner/assets, xassets, and confirm app icon. A pick and set contains all sizes from 20 to 1024 pixels. Once you confirm asset names and sizes, adjust any XML or PLIST references if your project structure differs. Finally, build and verify the change on a real device. Run Flutter clean, then Flutter build app or Flutter build iOS and install the app. If the old icon persists, uninstall the previous app version or clear the launcher cache. Sometimes the OS caches icons aggressively. If necessary, bump the version code /version name or CF bundle version and rebuild to force an update. Troubleshooting tip: when icons still don't update, delete build and Gradle caches. Then regenerate assets. This resolves most stale cache issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.